Electrochemical cells are classified into two main types. First is chemical cell and another is concentration cell. First we know that chemical cell is nothing but the cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy by means of chemical reaction. Here we will get the electrical energy. By classification of electrochemical cells, there are main two types, chemical cell and concentration cell. Chemical cell is further divided into two classes. First is chemical cell with transference, that is with porous partition. Here the porous partition is present. In the another type, chemical cell without transference, here there is absence of porous partition, that is without porous partition. Here concentration cell, another type, that is the second type of electrochemical cell, is the concentration cell. It is divided into two classes. First is concentration cell without transference and another is concentration cell with transference. Here the concentration cell without transference is further divided into two classes. First is electrode concentration cell without transference. Here there is absence of porous partition, and another type is electrolyte concentration cell without transference. Here there is absence of porous partition. Now further, the concentration cell with transference is divided into two classes. First is electrode concentration cell with transference reversible to cation, and electrode concentration cell, that is the with transference reversible with anion. So in this way, this is the classification of electrochemical cell. So by classification, here there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 type of electrochemical cell. So each type we have to study in this chapter. For each type, how half cell reaction takes place, how the cell is constructed, how the electrode potential is calculated by using Nernst equation, how the total cell reaction, net cell reaction takes place, how the total EMF of the cell we can calculate by using the Nernst equation. Hello friends, in the classification of electrodes, electrochemical cell, we have discussed about two types. One type is the chemical cell and another is the electrochemical cell. So we have here, we want to derive the expression for EMF of the cell for the chemical cell without transference. Chemical cell without transference, that is without liquid junction potential, can be constructed by forming the cell in which the contact between two electrolyte solutions is avoided. The cell is constructed by selecting two electrodes, one electrolyte, that is one electrode is reversible with cation and of an electrolyte, and other electrode is reversible with anion of the electrolytes. If we consider HCl as an electrolyte, so consider the cell. The cell is constructed for this type is as platinum, H2, gas, pressure of H2, HCl, activity of HCl, AgCl solid, Ag. So here there are two electrodes, one is hydrogen gas electrode, another is silver electrode. So this cell is formed by combination of two electrodes such as that one electrode is reversible with cation of an electrolyte and other electrode is reversible with anion of an electrolyte. In a both cell, hydrogen gas electrode is reversible with H plus ion of the electrolyte, and the second electrode, that is the AgAgCl silver electrode, is reversible with anion of the electrolyte, that is Cl minus. In above cell, the gas electrode is hydrogen gas electrode and another electrode is AgCl electrode. So here there are two electrodes. At the left hand side electrode it is shown by negative, and at the right hand side electrode it is shown by positive. So at negative electrode oxidation takes place. So oxidation takes place as the half cell reaction is given here. 1 half H2 gas, pressure of H2 gives H plus ion plus activity of H plus ion plus 1 electron. So here this is oxidation takes place. In oxidation there is loss of 1 electron. So applying Nernst equation for this half cell reaction or half cell electrode reaction. So applying Nernst equation. So here the electrode potential for this hydrogen gas electrode is given as EH2 oxidation is equal to E0H2 oxidation minus RT upon NF, ln of activity of H plus ion, divided by pressure of H2 raised to 1 half. Therefore, we can write here EH2 oxidation is equal to minus RT upon F, ln of activity of H plus. So here E0H2 oxidation is 0, N is equal to 1, that is number of electrons released in the reaction is 1, and pressure of H2 gas is 1 atm. So these values are these values we can not write here. So remove these values. So the equation or EMF of the electrode can be given as EH2 oxidation is equal to minus RT upon ln of activity of H plus ions. At positive electrode, reduction takes place as. So at positive electrode there is reduction takes place. At negative electrode there is oxidation takes place. So here the reduction takes place as the reaction is given as AgCl solid plus electron. Here electrons are added. Therefore this reaction gives Ag solid plus Cl minus, activity of Cl minus. Here also we applying the Nernst equation for this reduction reaction. So by Nernst equation the EAgAgCl reduction is equal to E0 AgAgCl reduction minus RT upon NF ln of activity of Ag solid, activity of Cl minus divided by activity of AgCl solid. So here activities of Ag solid and AgCl solid are considered as 1 and N is equal to 1. So this reduction potential of this cell becomes EAgAg reduction is equal to E0 AgAgCl reduction minus RT upon F ln of activity of Cl minus. This is equation number 4. So we can have here E0 H2 or E0 Ag, these are the standard electrode potentials of these two electrodes. Now to form the complete cell there must be the combination of two electrodes. Two electrodes must combine, and here this electrode is without transference, so here the salt bridge is used, not porous partition. The net cell reaction is the sum of equations 1 and 3. The net cell reaction is the sum of equations 1 and 3. So here by adding equation 1 and 3 we get 1 half H2 gas, pressure of H2, AgCl plus AgCl, HCl, activity of HCl plus Ag solid. It gives this equation number 5. So here for net cell reaction or complete EMF of the cell we can adding equation 1 and 3. Now applying Nernst equation for equation this. So we have to add two electrode potentials. One is oxidation potential and another is reduction potential. So we must add EH2 oxidation plus EAgAgCl reduction, and their electrode potentials we can add and we will get this equation. So E cell is equal to minus RT upon ln, RT upon F ln of activity of H plus E0 AgAgCl reduction minus RT ln of activity of Cl minus. That is equal to this equation. By simplifying we get this here ln of activity of H plus ln of activity of Cl minus. So by the adding these equations in log form, we will get directly ln of activity of HCl. So E cell is equal to E0 AgHCl A0 AgHCl reduction plus minus RT upon F ln of activity of HCl. E cell is equal to E0 AgCl reduction minus 2.303 RT upon F log of activity of HCl. So here there is ln, it is the log to the base E. Here we changing the base, and by changing the base, here we add 2.303 and here log. So in this way we will get the equation number 6. So this equation number 6 gives the EMF of the cell for the chemical cell without transference. So here we will final equation we get. So in this equation there is activity of HCl is important factor. So in this cell the EMF of the cell is depending on E0 or standard electrode potential of the AgCl and activity of HCl. So in this way, by taking the value of activity of HCl and E0 cell, we will calculate the total EMF of the cell. So in this way we can calculate the EMF of the chemical cell without transference. So friends, this is the equation for the expression for EMF of the cell. So in the examination this question is asked for 4 or 5 marks. So this is the very important. So we have total 8 types of different cells in classification. So this is the first type of chemical cell without transference. Okay, thank you.